for and are used to protecting the elderly. The second thing I would do is confront the drug trade directly. Drug addiction is the chief affliction of our fellow citizens. And I repeat that. They are our fellow citizens. They're somebody's son, somebody's granddaughter, somebody's spouse, and sadly, far too often, somebody's grandparent. We need to identify effective treatment programs and find out how to select the one that's best for the addict. I will bring together people for consultations, such as Jack Corey from Haven House, April Foster from Steps Recovery. These are enthusiastic people with experience and know what they're doing and can help us. But secondly, I'm going to change the policy of the state's attorney's office in dealing with felony narcotics cases. I'm going to assign one assistant to the drug task force for the purpose of working with them from the initiation of an investigation through the questions of charging and then through prosecution. I will assign a second one to the non-task force felony drug cases. That person will be responsible for screening out those cases that warrant vigorous prosecution and more serious sentences. Both assistants will be charged with identifying the felons who are eligible for enhanced or mandatory penalties and seeking them. I have labored in the arena of the courts for 30 years. I have seen the inefficiencies. I've recognized the deadwood that's within the system. I have listened to literally thousands of victims, and I've heard the frustration of people who have to deal with the courts. These are not easy issues to address. I could be slowing down. I could be preparing for retirement. I could be taking it easy. I am not going to do that. I am not through working. I will continue to work so that we can cross the bridge and create an enterprise of hope for the people of Cecil County.